Amidst tight security, voting is underway in 1,300 polling stations of Inner Manipur today. The constituency recorded 40% polling till 12 noon. 11 candidates are in the fray. 45 companies of paramilitary forces are being deployed for the second phase of Lok Sabha polls, apart from state police. The voting, which began at 7 a.m. ends 4 p.m. Voting was marred by a scuffle in polling station 6/10 at Kiamgai in Imphal East after the EVM was damaged, a report said. Manipur has entered the history books, with the state being the first in the country to introduce all-women polling booths in the Yaskul Assembly constituency in the second phase of Lok Sabha polls today. The assembly segment is managed completely by the women polls officers' EVM glitch. Repolling in 19 polling stations of Outer Manipur Parliamentary constituency is underway. The voting, which began at 7 a.m. continues till 4 p.m. There are 14,661 voters in the areas covered by 19 polling stations. Voting in polling stations at Sanapati, Tadubi, Makhel KB A, Makhel KB B and Mau was delayed after EVM glitch, according to reports. The Manipur government has ordered a magistral inquiry into the death of one Isentombi during childbirth at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, on 13 April as per source. The temperature of Aizawl recently reached 34.2 degrees Celsius, which was the highest one ever experienced in the 20 years in Mizoram. According to reports, the maximum temperature was recorded in the state on April 2015 when it rose to 34.1 degrees Celsius. Assam recorded a poll percentage of 11.61% till 9 a.m. in the 5 constituencies that went for voting in the second phase of parliamentary election on Thursday. Over 15.80 crore voters will decide the fate of around 1,600 contestants in the second phase of Lok Sabha elections. Glitch in the electronic voting machines, EVMs, and voter-verified paper or the trials BVPAT were reported during the early hours of polling. Voters in Assam Silchar complain of BVPAT malfunctioning. In Uttar Pradesh, EVMs glitches are reported from Agra, Mathura, and Hathras. The Election Commission of India (ECI) has suspended a high-ranking poll observer deputed in Odisha on charge of dereliction of duty with regard to SPG protesters in the reference to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 2 Naxals allegedly involved in the killing of BJP MLA and 4 personnel security were killed in the gun battle with security forces near the forested terrain of Dawali Karka in conflict-ridden Dantewada district, South Chhattisgarh on Thursday morning. Peru's former president Alan Garcia died in the hospital in Lama on Wednesday after shooting himself as police arrived at his house to arrest him in connection with a bribery probe, authorities said on Wednesday. Garcia, who had repeatedly denied wrongdoing, was 69.